Kiana Fabric. Ito po ang T81 Luna Sublimation Wall. Ito po ang aming full sublimation Pack Stars Edition. Full sublimation round neck Kiana Fabric. Raglan round neck with hoodie Kiana Fabric. Pull up hoodie neoprene fabric. Ito naman po ang Esport Series full sublimation. Esport Series NKT01 dry fit fabric. NKT02 Kiana Fabric. NKT03 Kiana Fabric. NKT05 Kiana Fabric. NKT06 Kiana Fabric. Ito naman po ang mga display ng aming full sublimation na available. Reversible hood V-neck. V-neck 3-part. Sublimation jersey 2-part. Jersey V-neck sando. Sublimation jersey round neck. Sublimation jersey 4-part V-neck. Jersey basic round neck. Sublimation jersey V-neck ladies. 4-part V-neck wide shoulder with curved hem. V-neck 2-part jersey. Sando jersey. Round neck 3-part. Jersey basic V-neck. Basic V-neck neck. Men's. Regular dry fit round neck. Regular dry fit. Regular Kiana Fabric round neck. Chinese collar with zipper. Regular round neck dry fit. Regular round neck Kiana Fabric. Chinese collar Kiana Fabric. Collar V-neck dry fit fabric. Regular collar with zipper dry fit fabric. Round neck long sleeve hexagon fabric. Round neck long sleeve neoprene fabric. Climacool fabric po pala. Round neck long sleeve air-cool fabric. Round neck long sleeve Kiana fabric. Pull up hoodie neoprene fabric. Pull up hoodie neoprene fabric. Pull up hoodie Yonex fabric. Sublimation banner with tassels and string. Satin fabric.